Hello everybody, welcome to the second episode of the Best Crypto to Buy 2021 video series. Anyhow, if you have missed out the first video of this video series, kindly click the link appearing in the I button above this video. And the fourth most valuable cryptocurrency to discuss is Ripple or XRP. This is one of the game-changing crypto projects that has been made to transfer the money across the globe. It is basically a centralized blockchain network and famous among financial institutions in the name of RippleNet, through which corporates can create their own digital currencies. And its cryptocurrency is called XRP. It helps in fast cross-border transactions. Generally, each transaction in the Ripple network takes just 4 seconds. The maximum number of XRP is 100 billion. I believe that this currency is the perfect choice for the future, as it can end up a generation-long old technique of being dependent on the SWIFT code and delayed interbank money transfer. XRP now trading at around 92 cents and INR 72 rupees. Number 5. Solana. It is another brilliant decentralized crypto project that people believe can replace the smart contract giant Ethereum. Basically, Solana is the blockchain and its cryptocurrency is called Sol. Solana blockchain is totally different than other crypto projects. While most of the crypto projects are based on the proof of stake or proof of work protocol, Solana blockchain is backed by proof of history protocol. If you want to know what is the proof of history protocol, then let me know in the comment box. But the question is, why should you buy Solana? Because Solana resolves two basic problems associated with DeFi and NFT creation and its maintenance. Solana is highly scalable and can complete 65,000 transactions per second. That is much higher than the transaction speed of Visa, MasterCard and PayPal together. And because of proof of history protocol, the transaction fee in the Solana blockchain is much lower than Ethereum. 1 year earlier, the price of Solana was just $2 and INR 155 rupees, and nowadays it is trading around $190 and INR 14,937 respectively. The next crypto project to be owned is Algorand. Number 6. Algorand. It is one of the most young and decentralized blockchain based on the smart contract protocol that Algorand developers believe to be the future of the finance, as it solves the blockchain trilemma. That is, number 1, transaction speed, number 2, security, and number 3, decentralization. Its coin is called Algo. It can complete 1000 transactions per second, and the maximum number of Algo coin can be up to 10 billion. As it works under pure proof of stake PPOS mechanism, its transaction fees stay at lower side every time. Now the question is, why should you buy Algorand? Because Algorand maintains pure proof of stake protocol. That means a person holding just a single Algorand can become the validator of the blockchain. Whereas in Ethereum, you need to have at least 32 Ethereum to become the validator of the Ethereum blockchain. And this Algorand blockchain supports creation of NFTs too. 1 year earlier, the price of Algorand was just 26 cents and INR 19.71. And now it is trading at around $1.64 and INR 129.31 respectively. Number 7. Internet Computer Protocol or ICP. When we say that the cryptocurrencies are decentralized, the question comes, is it really decentralized? Because the operations of the cryptocurrency is totally dependent on the internet, and this internet is completely centralized. And this internet facility is completely controlled by some internet service providers like Google, AT&T, Amazon, CenturyLink and Frontier, etc. These are the main internet service providers in the world who control the total internet services. And if they stop the entire internet services for some days, then the functioning of all the crypto projects will be stopped. Or in any time any technical glitch happen in their network, then the entire internet services will be stopped. As a result, the cryptocurrency transaction will be stopped. Here comes the Internet Computer Protocol or ICP. where like modern days internet apps, website, blockchains or NFTs also can be created without the intervention of any particular internet service provider. Rather, it has many individual and independent data centers across the globe that operates all the internet operations and maintain the network. This ICP blockchain is based on the smart contract protocol, and as all the data centers work separately and not dependent on each other, there is no chance of internet services to be hampered completely. The ICP has been founded by the Definity Foundation, and the native coin is called the ICP. Currently, ICP is trading at around 3,200 rupees and $41.32. If you want me to give you full details of the Internet Computer Protocol, then let me know in the comment box. Now the next crypto project is Polkadot. Polkadot is one of the complex and large crypto projects that I have ever seen in my journey in the cryptocurrency network. And it is not possible for me to describe the entire functioning of the Polkadot network in this video. So I will make a separate video on Polkadot. Kindly let me know in the comment box too. The name of the blockchain is called Polkadot and the crypto coin is called DOT. This project is used to resolve the interoperability issue among various blockchains. That means by using Polkadot based blockchain and the DOT, anyone can interact with other cryptocurrencies without relying on the third-party intermediaries and would be able to send and receive the data and values too. In simple terms, by using Polkadot, you can access the information recorded in any blockchain without directly participating in that particular blockchain. Now Polkadot is trading at 39 US dollar and INR 3,402 rupees. Number 9, VeChain. I personally love this crypto project as it can revolutionize the entire supply chain management in the world. Today's supply chain networks are very much centralized and we don't have any access or control over the supply chain network of any item from manufacturer or farmers to the end users or consumers. Basically, by scanning the product barcodes, we just can identify whether the product is authentic or not. But we don't have any power to check whether the product is maintaining the proper quality requirements during the logistic movement or not. This decentralized blockchain network has the capability to empower the consumers and other service managers to find out whether the product is maintaining its quality and at what stage the supply is getting stuck. And this thing can be done just by scanning the barcode of the VeChain blockchain and through its dedicated barcode scanning app. The native coin of the VeChain blockchain is VET and it is currently trading at around 11 cents and INR 8.50. Number 10, Binance coin. Suppose you are a casino player and make some profits from the casinos every day. But instead of playing games in the casino, you get an opportunity to get some portion of the profit made by the casino every day. Then what would be the situation? Sounds pretty awesome, right? By purchasing BNB coin, you can get this opportunity. Binance is one of the renowned and biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the world where almost all the cryptocurrencies are traded and ICO or initial coin offerings are executed. And BNB can be used to pay for goods and services and settle the transaction fees in the Binance exchange. That means more the transaction will be happening in the Binance exchange, more the demand of the coin would be in future. The most interesting part of this coin is that this coin had the circulating supply of 200 million and more than 15% of the total supply has already been burned, and this burning of coin will continue till 50% of the total coin supply, that is 100 million coins, are not burnt. That means with the lower supply and the higher demand, the price of this coin may be skyrocketing in the future. BNB is currently trading at $589 and INR 44,602 rupees. Number 11, Tron. It is decentralized smart contract blockchain work under the proof of stake protocol, and it has been made to compete with the Ethereum and solve all the transaction fees and the gas problems that is happening in the Ethereum network. And dApps, smart contract applications, NFTs also can be created in this blockchain without the fear of transaction speed bottleneck, resulting in the increasing transaction fees in the network. The name of the coin founded in this blockchain is called TRX. Currently, TRX is trading around $0.092 and INR 6.94 rupees. This network also includes two coins. Number one, Wink. This is also a decentralized blockchain used to reward the players in the gaming platform across the globe. In this blockchain, any gaming tokens can be built, and as this blockchain is decentralized, it stops the monopoly of the game operators and it increases the fairness of the game rewards, especially gambling, betting, and casinos. Basically, WIN is the native token of the Wink platform. Currently, WIN token is trading at around $0.006597 and INR 0.0500 level. Another special crypto project that stays near to my heart is BitTorrent, and the name of the token is BitTorrent token or BTT, that is built in the Tron blockchain. It is a peer-to-peer file sharing blockchain where big files, films, songs, or videos can be transferred and downloaded from other peer or the group of peers who are holding the same file in the same blockchain, and the peers get the reward in BTT for allowing their bandwidth for the first downloading and sharing of files. Currently, BTT is trading at around INR 0.23001 rupees and $0.0030687 level. Number 12, Dogecoin. It is basically a meme coin that is represented by the Japanese Shiba Inu dog. It was started as a joke of Bitcoin in 2013. It is a decentralized peer-to-peer digital assets or currency that is used to send money or value online. It works under the proof of work mechanism. The block time of Dogecoin is 1 minute compared to 2.5 minutes of Litecoin and 10 minutes of Bitcoin. Its coin is called Doge. Currently, Doge is trading at around $0.215 and INR 16.45 level. What type of problem this Dogecoin can resolve, I definitely don't know. As this coin carries Elon Musk effect, you should definitely buy some Dogecoin for future. Who knows, in future this coin will give you the opportunity to retire early and leave your 9-to-5 job. Number 13, Shiba Inu. Similar to Dogecoin and inspired by the same concept to support the Japanese dog breed Shiba, the Shiba Inu was launched as an ERC20 token or a token based on the Ethereum on August 2020. Maximum supply of this coin is 1 quadrillion, and till now around 41% of the total coin has been burnt. This coin also believed to have influence of Elon Musk. Currently, Shiba Inu is trading at around $0.000043 and INR 0.003287. The next crypto project that can revolutionize the borrowing and lending process is Aave. Number 14, Aave. It is a decentralized blockchain used to bring the borrowers and lenders under the same roof, where the borrower can keep his or her coin as collateral and borrow money at a specific rate of interest without any credit score, credit checks, or credit history being examined, where the lenders can lend their crypto coins under a certain condition to earn interest for their lending. And this entire banking-like activities are done without the need of any bank. And at last, I would like to thank Frank Tortoich for asking me what are the best cryptocurrencies that to be owned in 2021. I will definitely give the reply in the third and the last part of this video series. This was the second video episode of the best crypto to buy in 2021 video series. In the third episode of this best crypto to buy in 2021 video series, I will be discussing 5 cryptocurrencies that you should definitely own in your portfolio to have some great return. Till then, if you find this video as interactive one and you have gained some knowledge about the cryptocurrencies, kindly let me know in the comment box. And if you want more information about any crypto project, then let me know in the comment box too.